Have you ever wondered how Sankt Hans in Denmark transforms ordinary evenings into glowing celebrations filled with bonfires, laughter, and golden summer light? Looking for ways to recreate that peaceful yet festive Nordic atmosphere in your own garden or outdoor space? Curious how simple elements like candles, greenery, and rustic textures can create a magical setting? And wondering how to combine tradition, comfort, and elegance for a truly unforgettable midsummer night? Stay with us, because today we're exploring Danish Midsummer, also known as Sankt Hans, with beautiful bonfire and garden party decoration ideas inspired by Nordic nature, simplicity, and timeless traditions. What is Sankt Hans and why is it celebrated? Sankt Hans is Denmark's traditional midsummer celebration, held around the summer solstice when days are longest and nights are shortest. It is a time when communities gather to light bonfires, sing traditional songs, and enjoy the warmth of summer evenings. The celebration symbolizes light overcoming darkness and reflects a deep connection to nature, seasonal change, and togetherness. It's both cultural and emotional, a moment to slow down and appreciate the beauty of summer. What defines Sankt Hans decor? Sankt Hans decor is rooted in simplicity, nature, and atmosphere. Unlike overly styled setups, it focuses on organic materials, soft lighting, and open-air arrangements. The goal is to create a setting that feels effortless, calming, and inviting, where every element blends naturally with the surroundings rather than standing out too boldly. If you love Nordic-style decor ideas, like this video and share it with someone planning a summer gathering. What colour palettes work best for Sankt Hans decor? The best colour palettes are inspired by Scandinavian landscapes. Soft whites, warm beiges, muted greens, and gentle greys. These tones reflect nature and create a peaceful, airy environment. You can also add subtle accents of warm gold or soft amber to echo the glow of firelight and sunset hues. How do bonfires influence the decoration theme? Bonfires are the heart of Sankt Hans celebrations. They inspire the entire visual theme, encouraging the use of warm lighting, flickering candles, and glowing lanterns. Even if you don't have a large bonfire, you can recreate its essence through fire pits, candle clusters, or soft lighting that mimics the warm, comforting glow of flames. Tell us in the comments how you would decorate for a midsummer bonfire night. How can you design a Sankt Hans garden party setup? Start by choosing an outdoor space such as a garden, terrace, or patio. Create a central gathering area that draws people together. This could be a fire pit, a lantern arrangement, or a decorated table. Arrange seating in a circular or semi-open layout to encourage conversation and connection, keeping the flow natural and relaxed. What seating arrangements work best for Nordic garden parties? Nordic gatherings embrace comfort and informality. Use wooden benches, simple chairs, or even low seating with cushions and blankets. Layering textiles like throws and soft pillows adds warmth and coziness, especially as the evening becomes cooler. The aim is to create a space where guests feel completely at ease. For more European seasonal decor ideas, check out our full playlist in the description below. What lighting enhances the Sankt Hans atmosphere? Lighting is essential for creating the signature midsummer ambiance. Combine string lights, lanterns, and candles to build layers of soft illumination. As daylight fades, these elements create a magical transition from bright evening to a cozy, glowing night filled with warmth and charm. How can greenery enhance the decor? Greenery plays a central role in Nordic styling. Use fresh branches, leafy stems, wildflowers, or potted plants to bring life into your setup. These natural elements create a seamless connection between your decor and the surrounding environment, reinforcing the organic and grounded feel of the celebration. Subscribe for more European home decor and seasonal styling ideas. What decorative elements work best for this theme? Rustic and handcrafted items work beautifully. Think wooden trays, woven baskets, ceramic dishes, and simple glass jars. Minimalism is key. Instead of overcrowding the space, choose a few meaningful elements that enhance the natural beauty of the setting. How can tables be styled for a Sankt Hans party? Keep table styling clean and elegant. Use wooden surfaces or neutral linens, paired with simple dishware and small floral arrangements. Add candles or tea lights to create a soft glow. The table should feel inviting yet understated, allowing food and conversation to take center stage. Love these garden party ideas? Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can food presentation enhance the decor? Food can become part of the visual experience. Serve dishes on wooden boards, ceramic plates, or rustic platters. Fresh fruits, breads, and simple seasonal dishes not only taste delicious, but also add colour and texture to the table, enhancing the overall aesthetic. What textiles suit a Nordic midsummer setup? Lightweight, breathable fabrics like linen and cotton are perfect for a midsummer setting. Use neutral-toned tablecloths, napkins, and cushions. Adding blankets or throws not only enhances the look, but also keeps guests comfortable as the temperature drops in the evening. Explore more seasonal inspiration in our recommended videos listed in the description. How can small spaces be decorated for Sankt Hans? Even a small balcony or patio can capture the essence of Sankt Hans. Focus on a few key elements: candles, greenery, and soft lighting. Keep the arrangement simple and uncluttered so the space feels cozy rather than crowded, allowing every detail to shine. What small details make the biggest impact? Sometimes the smallest touches create the most magic. Clusters of candles, delicate string lights, subtle floral accents, and natural textures can transform an ordinary space into something special. These details bring warmth, intimacy, and charm to the entire setup. If you enjoy festive decor ideas, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you create a Sankt Hans celebration on a budget? One of the best things about Nordic design is its simplicity. You can use DIY decorations, locally sourced greenery, recycled jars for candles, and basic lighting to create a stunning setup. With thoughtful planning and creativity, you can achieve a beautiful and authentic celebration without overspending. Sankt Hans is a celebration of light, nature, and togetherness. By combining bonfire-inspired lighting, natural materials, and simple yet elegant arrangements, you can create a peaceful and magical midsummer atmosphere. Whether you're hosting in a spacious garden or a small balcony, these ideas help bring the charm of Denmark's beloved tradition into your own space, filled with warmth, beauty, and unforgettable moments. If you enjoyed these Sankt Hans ideas, like this video and share it with friends planning a summer gathering. Tell us your favourite midsummer decoration idea in the comments below. Explore our seasonal decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more European home decor ideas every week. Looking for more inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.